Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I recently purchased these magic erasers and I've been reading a lot of great things about them, so I wanted to try them out and sort of demonstrate it for you along with some simple instructions on how to use it. If you look on the back of the box, it says that you wet the pad, then you squeeze it, so I guess you wring the water out, and then you try to erase whatever you're trying to erase. And it tells you to test a small area with light pressure first. Obviously, I'm guessing to make sure that it's not going to do something that you don't want it to do to the surface that you're using it on. So I have one of them right here. I've opened up the box. It comes with two. I have one of them right here. I'm just going to put some water on it, okay? Just like that. Just put some water on it, okay? Turn the water off, and we're going to wring it out. So we're going to squeeze it, drain out all the water, so that I'm going to drain it out so that it's probably just basically damp. That's what I'm going to try and do. Like I said, it's my first time actually using one. And then there's actually this little pen mark over here that I want to get rid of. So if you take a look right here, there's actually a pen mark, just a scribble of a pen mark right over here. So I'm going to take the magic eraser and I'm going to apply light pressure to small area first, probably right over here where there's just a little pen mark, and see what it does. Okay. Light pressure. That's actually, I think that's actually not a pen mark. That's actually an actual like divot in there, a scratch in there. That's why we're gonna try right here where I know this is pen for sure, because I can tell by how it looks. And wow, look at that. It's actually taking it out. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more pressure now in a circular motion, and we'll see what it does. Wow, it's actually doing a fantastic job at removing the pen. And I just started, so let's go ahead and let's apply a little bit more pressure like this. Wow, it's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. I'm so impressed. Let's get a little bit more pressure just like this. See if we can completely remove that pen. Look at that. You can see it's coming out. It's almost completely gone, and it's only been a few moments. All right. Wow, this is, I'm absolutely impressed. As you can see, it's really easy to use. I'm just applying some decent pressure and I'm scrubbing back and forth. I'm going to get a little bit more water on there, wring it out again, and I'll leave it a little bit more damp this time. So now it's a little bit more damp. I didn't wring it out as much. I just want to see if it makes a difference. So definitely when I allow it to be a little bit more damp, it's taking out the pen a little bit easier with less pressure. But as you can see, it's removing the pen with just a little bit more scrubbing. It would be completely clean. So it does a really good job, I'm not gonna lie. And like I said, this mark over here is actually like in there. It's not a writing mark. It's actually like a, I guess, a scratch of some sort. So that's why that's not coming out. But the pen has come out right away. Wow, it works really well. So that's it. I just wanted to demonstrate how to use it and really to try it out for the first time alongside you guys and girls watching, so that we could sort of see how it works. But yeah, really hope that you've enjoyed this little tutorial and demonstration. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.